हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ। मैं ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੁਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਲੈਟ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਐਟ ਹੋਮ ਤੇ। ਸੋ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਚੈਨਲ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਿਓ। ਸੋ today we are going to discuss about the application of trigonometry. This is the chapter of 10th class chapter number 9. Okay ji, this is 10th class chapter number 9. If you want this learn this chapter very deeply, then stay here, वीडियो नाल बने रहो तो इसनों अंत तक जरूर देखो, then you will able to do each and every question. I am going to do here introduce this chapter with you, and I am doing each and every question of your NCERT book. Okay ji, so let's start this chapter. Okay, this is our chapter. Okay ji, let's come on first slide. This is our agenda. What is our agenda today? What we will do? Okay ji, first of all introduction, then result of from last chapter. Means last chapter we have done trigonometry function. Okay, some trigonometry function we have done, and that we will revise also. Okay, next situation, we have been given one situation, we will convert that situation into triangle. Am I clear? We have been given a situation, means any situation we have been given, then we will convert this situation into triangle. Then next step, and we have to find the part of triangle in this chapter. Am I clear ji? We have to find the part of triangle, means sometime we have been given hypotenuse, we have to find the base, or perpendicular, sometime we have been given perpendicular, we have to find the base and hypotenuse. But we have been not given any triangle, means we have been given one situation, कोई भी situation लिख दी जाएगी, we will do further. Okay, and then we will do some practice question, okay, from NCERT. This is the situation, we have looked situations like this. Okay ji, come on next slide. हाँ जी, introduction. What is introduction? Firstly, just I will introduce what is trigonometry. Okay, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that studies triangle and relationship between their sides and their angle and sides. Means here trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies triangle and the relationship between their sides and angle between their sides. Means की करोगी, this is the branch of trigonometry. Basically this work on right triangle. Okay ji, right triangle, and we now by this trigonometry we will study about the ratio of side, means ratio of hypotenuse or perpendicular, that's all. Okay ji, next we have this type of problem, means sometime something upon, there we have pedestal, there is a statue on the pedestal, and elevation angles we have been given, and we will have to find the height of pedestal like this. Okay, let's see next. Next is what we do in this topic. In this topic we shall use the trigonometry. We will use the trigonometry ratio to find the height of tree, means sometime we have to find the height of tree, sometime height of tower, water tank, means height of water tanks, or width of river, distance of two ships, like means if someone is observing ships from the top of any building, and how to find the distance of between two ships if they are on straight line. Let's see, then you will understand each and everything. Okay, next is a line of sight. Okay ji, what is line of sight? This is your first thing you should know, that you should know, means if you don't know about the line of sight, then you are unable to do application of trigonometry. Okay, let we read. Okay, we observe generally that children usually look up to see an aeroplane when it passes overhead. The line joining their eye to plane while looking up is called line of sight. Means कहते usually sometime कि children ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹ एरोप्लेन ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੀ ਲੰਘ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, this line joining, this line joining their eyes to plane, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਈਸ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੇਨ ਨਾਲ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, ਮੀਨਸ ਡੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਲਾਈਨ ਆਫ ਸਾਈਟ। ਮੀਨਸ ਇਹੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਅੱਖ, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੱਚਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੇਖੂਗਾ ਵੈਨ ਆ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਸੀ ਅਪਵਰਡ, then this is the line which join the aeroplane with his eyes, that is called line of sight. Am I clear about line of sight, student? Okay, good. हाँ जी, next is angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation. If do you clear about the line of sight, now I am going to discuss with you angle of elevation. Means the angle between the horizontal line. Horizontal lines means that lines which are parallel to the earth. Okay, the angle between line of sight and horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Let's read what we have been given here. It means that the angle which is the line of sight, makes with the horizontal line drawn away from their eyes is called angle of elevation of aeroplane from them. Means ठीक, okay, इत्थे आपां previous example लैके चलांगे. What is the angle of elevation of aeroplane? Angle of elevation of aeroplane means the angle between line of sight and horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Okay ji. Next, angle of depression. Now we have angle of depression. Okay, angle of elevation when we observe the when we are observing the aeroplane, that is called angle of elevation. When the pilot of aeroplane observing something on the ground, means वो कुछ नीचे देख रहा, the angle between the horizontal line, okay, angle between the horizontal line which is parallel to the earth from his eyes, means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ eyes ਤੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਪਈ ਆ, this is the horizontal line. We know all the horizontal lines are always parallel to the earth. Means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ eyes ਤੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਦੇ ਤੋਂ start ਹੋ ਕੇ line ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, the angle between that line and line of sight is called angle of depression. Am I clear? This is your angle of depression. Sometime ਬੱਚੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ angle of depression ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. This is wrong. Okay, your angle of depression is always between the horizontal line. Means angle of elevation and angle of elevation both are angle between the line of sight and horizontal lines. Means ਦੋਵੇਂ horizontal lines and line of sight ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਬਣਨਗੇ. And angle of elevation is always equal to the angle of depression, because both are alternate interior angles. If they are alternate interior angles, then they are equal. Okay ji, let's see what they have written. If the pilot of aeroplane looks downward at any object, means ਜਿਹੜਾ pilot ਆ ਉਹ ਕਾਰ ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ, angle between the line of sight and horizontal line drawn away from his eyes, ਜਿਹੜੀ horizontal line ਉਹਦੀ eyes ਤੋਂ draw ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ, angle between this both line is called angle of depression. I think, am I clear about this concept, angle of depression and angle of elevation? This is angle of elevation. Again I will repeat, the angle between horizontal line and line of sight. Means if a driver of car observe the aeroplane, the angle between horizontal line and line of sight is called angle of elevation. If pilot observe the car, then that is angle of depression. Means ਜੇ ਉੱਪਰਲਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਦੇਖੂਗਾ angle of depression, ਜੇ ਨੀਚੇਲਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੇਖੂਗਾ ਤਾਂ angle of elevation. Okay, next, that's all about the trigonometry introduction. Means that only these things we will use in trigonometry application of trigonometry. First is line of sight, then angle of elevation, angle of depression. Only three things are there, and there are some trigonometry ratio we are going to use here. First is we will use only this 90 and 0 angle. We will never use in this chapter. Firstly, you should know about what is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1/2, sin 45 is 1/2, sin 60 is under 3/2, cos theta is under 3/2, then 45 1/2, 60 is 1/2 only. And tan, in 90% questions we will use only tan. Okay, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ, that thing on your tips. tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is under root 3. Okay, this we are going to use. Take screenshot if you want, otherwise I am going to next. Very first question is the circle in circus artist climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of pole. Here we want to find the height of pole. Let's see firstly diagram. Okay, this is our diagram, means this is our pole. We want to find the height of pole and this is the length of the rope. To find the height of pole means firstly situation is given situation we have converted into triangle. Then in triangle what we want to find AB. In triangle we want to find AB. AB is the height of pole. To find AB, which trigonometric function we will use? One thing you should know, means you should remember this. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. Okay ji, means our sine is always equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now you should think in your mind, what do you want to find? If you want to find hypotenuse, means perpendicular is given, then use sine. If you want to find perpendicular hypotenuse is given, then again is sine. If a relation between base and hypotenuse, then you will use cos theta. If a perpendicular and base means one thing from this miss, either perpendicular or base, then you will use tan. These three functions we will use mostly. Now in this you have observed that this is a perpendicular, hypotenuse given. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, this function we will use. To use this function, firstly we will write solution in triangle ABC. We have AC is equal to 20 meter and AB we want to find. So to find AB, we will use sine 30 degree, means sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This implies sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon 20 meter, because hypotenuse 20 meter that is given. This implies 1 by 2, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 perpendicular upon 20 meter. This implies perpendicular is equal to 20.2, that is equal to 10 meter, means the height of pole is equal to 10 meter. This is our first question. Take screenshot. Okay ji. Next is tree break due to the storm. Okay ji, tree break due to storm. Let's see its diagram. Firstly pause the video and you can think about this diagram, read this situation very deeply, then you are able to draw the diagram. Okay, this is our diagram, and according to situation, the upper part of tree, means after breaking, the upper part of tree come here, okay, come here and make the angle of 30 degree with the part with the ground. Okay ji, with the ground. Now this is our triangle. Okay, this is our triangle. Situation we have converted into triangle, angle is 30 degree, and now we want to find the perpendicular and hypotenuse. When we add both perpendicular and hypotenuse, then it will the total height of tree, means total height of tree is this, but perpendicular is up to this. This is the perpendicular, and jada baki part apna bach gaya, that is the hypotenuse. Now this is hypotenuse, this part is equal to hypotenuse. If we will add P plus H, then that is equal to height of tree, that is height of tree. Let us start. Again we have been given base, relation between base and perpendicular, that is tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base is 8 meter. Now I will not write each and everything, means here in triangle this and this, that you will have to write yourself. I will just solve the question, because if I am going to write this each and everything, then the video will be too long, and so we have to there are so many problems to complete this video. So this implies tan 30 is equal to 1 by under root 3, that is equal to perpendicular upon 8. This implies perpendicular means that is equal to 8 upon under root 3. Am I clear? We have found the perpendicular, means this distance, this length we have found. Now to find AC, to find AC, we will use sine theta, means sine function, that is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and sine theta we know that is 1 upon 2, and perpendicular we have already found that is 8 upon under root 3, and hypotenuse we want to find now. This implies hypotenuse is equal to 2 will multiply this side 60 upon under root 3. Now from this height of tree is equal to perpendicular plus hypotenuse, this implies 8 over under root 3 plus 16 over under root 3, this is equal to 24 over under root 3. After rationalizing, how to rationalize, you will have to multiply under root 3 by under root 3, you will get 8 under root 3. Okay, you will get your answer 8 under root 3 meter. This is the height of the tree. Okay, am I clear about this concept? If is there any problem, then you can back and watch again this video. Okay, next question is a contractor plans to install the 2 slides, means which type of slide? Let's see in diagram. Before watching the diagram, you will have to firstly draw diagram yourself if you want to do it deeply, then आपके concept और भी clear हो जाएंगे. 1.5 meter for smaller children, means children below 5-year age, and the angle of elevation means inclined at 30 degree. For the older children, 60-degree angle, height of slide is 3 meter. Okay ji. So here we will use sine function again, because perpendicular and hypotenuse, in both slide will use sine theta. Sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1.5 and hypotenuse we want to find. This implies 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 upon hypotenuse. This implies h is equal to 3 meter. 1.5 into 2, 3 meter. In other case, means second case, sine 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we want to find, and perpendicular, that is 3. We will put in next step. Sine 60 is under 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 upon h. H is equal to 6 over under 3. After rationalizing, we will get 2 under 3 meter. Now you can put the value of under 3, that value is equal to 1.73. Put the value and find your answer. This first slide is 3 meter and other slide is 2 under 3 meter. Okay, this is about this question. Next, the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the point on ground which is 30 meter away from the foot. Let's see, this is 30 meter away from the foot and angle of elevation is 30 degree. So we want to find the height of tower. Very easy, base is given, perpendicular we want to find, and the relation between perpendicular and base, that your favorite function, that is tan 30 degree. Okay, the tan 30 degree is perpendicular upon base. So this implies 1 by under 3 is equal to perpendicular upon 30 meters. This implies perpendicular is equal to 30 over under 3 meter. After rationalizing, we will get this is equal to 10 under 3. Okay ji. Let's see how to put value. 1.73 is the value of under 3. So this is equal to 173 meter. Answer. This is your answer. Means this is the height of tower. This is height of tower. Very simple question, very small question. Okay, the next question, let's see. The kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. Means there is a kite that is flying above the 60 meter from above the ground. Next, string, that is string attached temporarily with tied to point on the ground. ठीक है, this is a string and it make angle with the ground, that is 60 degree. Find the length of string. Assume that no slack in the string, means कोई भी इनके चल नहीं, straight string है. Now what we want to find? We want to find the length of string. That means hypotenuse we want to find. Situation into triangle means 1 marks पक्का हो गया अपना 1 marks दा हुंदा तुहाडा diagram जेड़ा. Okay, now we will use here again perpendicular is given, hypotenuse we want to find. Relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is very first sine 60 degree. Okay ji, sine we will use here. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, that is equal to 60 upon h. This imply h is equal to 60 into 2 over under root 3. This is equal to 120 under root 3. After rationalizing, we will get 40 under root 3 meter answer. Okay, this is your answer. Put the value of 1 under root 3, the value you have to put yourself. I am not going to put the value of 1 under root 3. Okay, it is your own problem. Next question, come on. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at this some distance from a 30 meter tall building, means there is a 30 meter tall building, a boy is standing of height 1.5 meter, standing some distance from the 30 meter height building. Okay जी, next किया, the angle of elevation from his eyes. One thing here given that is very important, from his eyes. I will going to explain after this. And angle of elevation top of building increases from 30 to 60 as she walk. ही लाओ बेटा इत्थे, because I have written boy, जे गर्ल लिखिया था फिर she लाना सी. Walks toward the building, find distance walked toward the building. Let's see the diagram once. This is our diagram. Means now angle of elevation from his eyes. One thing should you clear to you, means angle of elevation from his eyes means we will work upon the right triangle. Means एक ही बन जूगा जेकर आप we will take this, एक ही triangle नहीं बनी इत्थे, इत्थे की बनेगा rectangle. Rectangle we will remove, means we will take this perpendicular, only this perpendicular, we will take this perpendicular. Okay ji, you will have to subtract the 1.5 meter from the total height of the pole, building, whatsoever. Here you will have to subtract 1.5 because angle of elevation कितना बन रहा है on the eyes तो, and we are working on the right triangle. Right triangle start from here, means on the eyes तो start होंदी है triangle and इधर जाती, then R ते RP. Okay, that's all. Now what is the perpendicular? Height of building is 30 meter, no doubt, height of building is 30 meter, but what is perpendicular? Now our perpendicular we have to subtract 1.5. After subtracting 1.5 we will get 28.5 meter. We will get 28.5 meter. Now this is our perpendicular. Now I am going to find distance covered by the boy. Distance covered by the boy, this I want to find. Means what we want to find? I want to find A, B. Just think 1 minute how to find. Pause the video and think 1 minute how to find the AB. Okay. So now one thing more you should clear, means when you are more distance from some building, then angle of elevation is small. Means okay, थोड़े कोल कम होगा angle of elevation. If you are near the building, then angle of elevation is bigger than that angle. ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਨੀ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਊਗੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇੜੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ. ओके, एम ए क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? जैसे जैसे आप बिल्डिंग के पास जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपकी दौड़ ऐसे ऐसे होती जाएगी. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू ऑब्जर्व द टॉप ऑफ बिल्डिंग, मीन सेम पॉइंट से फोकस रखोगे तो. Okay, now we want to AB. How to find AB? To find AB, firstly we should know about the AR. Here I have written R. AR. Then I will subtract BR from AR, that is our AB. Am I clear? If I will subtract BR from whole distance, that is our AB. AB is distance covered by the y. So relation between perpendicular and base, your favorite, that is tan. Firstly, tan 30 degree, that is perpendicular is 28.5 over AR. Next is value of tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. 28.5 AR, this imply AR is equal to 28.5 into under root 3. So next I am going to use tan 60, means second triangle PBR. In triangle PBR, tan 60 degree, that is equal to again perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 28.5 upon BR. So this imply under root 3 BR is equal to 28.5 meter, BR is equal to 28.5 over under root 3 meter. We will rationalize this 28.5 over under root 3, under root 3 over under root 3 will have to multiply 28.5 under root 3 over 3. After cutting, we will get 9.5 into under root 3. Now I am going to subtract this thing to find AB. I am going to subtract 9.5 from 28.5. Under root 3 as it, and when we subtract, our answer is 19. Okay ji, 19.3 meter is your answer. Means distance covered by the boy is 19/3 meter. Let's come on next. I hope you have clear and you are enjoying. If you want to learn more maths like this, then subscribe our channel and please share this video with your friend. Now again, 1.6 meter tall statue. A statue is 1.6 meter tall, stand on the top of pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Let's see an example in diagram. Okay, let's see. This is statue. This is our statue, and this is our building. And height of statue is 1.6 meter, and angle of elevation that you have seen 60 degree with top of the statue, and top of the building angle is 45 degree only. So here again I am going to use tan because hypotenuse the koi role nahi here, and here only perpendicular and base. When I am going to use tan 45, firstly for pedestal, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, means this is perpendicular, BCs are perpendicular, BC over DC. So this imply 1 is equal to BC over DC, BC over DC. This imply DC is equal to BC. One thing clear, that height of pedestal is equal to distance of point from the base of the pedestal, means this side equal to this side. Okay ji. Now next is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, that is equal to total height, means tan 60 lai to fir we have to use total height na. Your perpendicular is always start from the base. Okay ji. This height AC over DC over DC, because this is our base. So tan 60 is equal to under root 3 AC. DC will multiply this side. Now we have value of DC here we have, also we have here value of DC. Equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, okay student. So we'll put the value of DC here. Now I am going to put the value of DC here. Let's see how. value of DC in 2 from 1 means 1 तो लेके 2 च पुट कर दो. We can write BC under root 3 is equal to AC is equal to AC. Okay, we are very near to our answer, and BC we want to find. Can I write AC into two part, AB plus BC? I have written the AC into two part, AB plus AC. So this imply in place of AB I will put the value of AB, that is given 1.6 meter. That's why I have split this. So BC under root 3 minus BC, this side become negative, is equal to 1.6. I have put the value of AB. So this imply BC I will take common, under root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So this imply BC is equal to 1.6 over under root 3 minus 1. Now you rationalize this. This is your favorite topic, rationalize. Okay ji. In denominator we have 2 in and numerator this thing we have. After cutting we will get 0.8. So our answer is 0.8 into under root 3 plus 1 meter. That is the height of the pedestal. 0.8 into under root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the our height of the pedestal. So I hope I have cleared this. You have cleared this. If is there any problem, then you back and revise once time. Next, from a point of the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and the top of our transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter height building are 45 and 65. Find the height of tower. This is the diagram. Okay, we have been given 20 meter height building. This is the 20 meter height building, and again in the last question we have a statue, now we have a tower. Firstly we have been given the height of statue, now we have been given the height of the building. That is the different. Okay, student don't feel bored because video थोड़ी लंबी जरूर हो सकती है, but each and every question you have clear very deeply with diagram, with very clear diagrams. Okay, now again tan. Firstly DC is base, and here write B. BC is perpendicular for tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree, that is your favorite because tan 45 is equal to 1. Very good. This is your favorite. Perpendicular is 20 upon DC. This imply 1 is equal to 20 upon DC. This imply DC is equal to 20 meter, means DC we have found, that is 20 meter. Now we have find the value of AC. Now we have to find the value of AC. Okay ji, tan 60 degree is equal to AC over DC. This imply under root 3 is equal to AC over DC is 20 meter. Very good, 20 meter we have been given. 20 under root 3, that is equal to AC. AC we can split AC into two part, means AB plus BC. Okay, I am going to put the value of AC, AB plus BC. BC is equal to again 20 meter. So 20 minus 20 under root 3 minus 20 is equal to AB. This imply AB is equal to 20 common under root 3 minus 1. Okay, this is the your value of AB, means this is the height of tower, hence proved. Okay ji, now come on next. The angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. Oh, very good. Firstly, from foot of tower second time from foot of building. Let's see the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. Here h is the height of the building and dA is the height of tower, that is 50 meter. Angle of elevation we have been given. Let's start. Tan every time tan, बस हम tan ते भज्जे हो करांदी. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Firstly think one minute, stay here. Firstly think we want to find the height of building. This is the height of building. So to find the height of building we should know about this base, then we can find na a base kitto find hoga. This base we will find from perpendicular, means from height of tower. So firstly we will use this triangle which make angle 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. So perpendicular is 50 and base is AB. This imply under root 3 AB is equal to 50 under root 3. On to see beta you can put, because value of this is under root 3, AB will become numerator here, under root 3 become numerator, because under root 3 select multiply कर दोगे AB की जगह. So this is the value of AB. Now tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is again perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC. BC over base. Base is AB. Value of AB we have found already, 50 over under root 3. Very good. You will write everything in triangle, this in triangle, this you have tried yourself. 1 upon under root 3 is equal to BC over 50 over under root 3. So this imply BC is equal to 1 over under root 3. 50 under root 3 will multiply this side, because this side, this is in denominator, now it will multiply this side. So BC is equal to 50 over 3 under root into 3 under root, that is equal to 50 over 3. So this is equal to 2, sorry not 2, 1 and when we divide 3 1 the 3, 26, 2 by 3, 16, 2 by 3 meter is the height of the building. This is your height of building. Either you will convert in decimal also or mixed fraction also. This is your height of the building. 16, 2 by 3 meter is the height of building. Okay ji, that's all. One thing you should you're clear, means you have to think firstly what do you want to find. After that make a plan in your mind how to find. First of all means height we want to find. We should know at least one side. Hypotenuse the koi role नहीं है. So base we will find from the another perpendicular. हाँ जी, next, two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on the either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. Road is given that is 80 meter wide. Let's see. Okay, then and point that is between the road on the line which joining the both pole. So road is 80 meter wide. We will divide road into two parts from by using the point B. One is x, other is 80 minus x. Now let's start. Again your favorite tan 60 degree is equal to h upon x, means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and under root 3 means x इधर multiply करूँगा, this side x will multiply, and h is equal to x into under root 3. This is the height of the tower with respect to x. Now again we will use here tan 30 degree. When tan 30 degree perpendicular will same, because height given that equal height. देखो, be smart. And now base is 80 minus x. So tan 30 is 1 by under root 3. Very good. H over 80 minus x. So now this is equal to 80 minus x is equal to h into under root 3, because under root 3 multiply this side. Now I am going to put the value of h here. This is 1. You will write here this put the value of h in 2, take from 1. Okay ji, this imply 80 minus x equal to x under root 3 into under root 3, because 1 under root 3 with x, 1 is here, then we have 2 under root 3. This imply 80 minus x is equal to 3x. This imply 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 20 meter. X is equal to 20 meter. Okay student, I hope you are enjoying this. Continue with me. Okay, and I am going to do whole math with the help of PPTs. Continue with me. Math will now interesting. So one thing we have found, point from the poles, means point the distance kinna pole to. From first pole it is 20 meter, from other pole it is 60 meter. Now we want to find the height. Height of pole, that is the height of pole, h is equal to 20 under root 3. Very easy, very easy. Height of pole is 20 under root 3 meter. Put the value of under root 3 and find your answer. That's all. Very easy question. Take screenshot. Khinch lo. A tower stands vertically on the bank of canal from a point of on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, means this is your diagram. Okay, you have to read and think how to draw diagram. Means this is a straight line from the base of tower and 2 point, this is the 2 bank and this is the width of the canal, width of canal. And now angle is 30 degree from this point, and from this is 60 degree. We want to find height of tower and width of canal. One thing perpendicular we want to find, other is CB, we want to find. So tan, your favorite tan, फिर tan बस tan ही चलता जाऊगा. हम tan 30 ਹੁਣ तो याद हो गया होगा. tan 30 कितना, perpendicular upon DB. So 1 by under root 3 is equal to perpendicular upon, I will write now 20 plus CB. Okay, you have many method to write. DB nu I have written in the form of 20 plus CB. So this imply 20 plus CB is equal to P into under root 3. Oh wow. Now 30 degree, 60 degree for tan 60 degree, but for tan 60 degree perpendicular upon CB only. So under root 3 CB is equal to perpendicular. Now what, put the value of perpendicular. Let's start. Hurry up. Take value from 1, put in 2. So it is your duty to do. Now under root 3 CB is equal to, not equal to, I am going to put the value of P here. Okay, the value of P I am going to put here. So here P is under root 3 CB and 1 under root 3 more here, 1 under root 3 more here. You can see value of P is already under root 3 CB and under root 3 1 more here is equal to 20 plus CB. So 3 CB is minus CB, see this CB become next to this side 20 meter. This implies 2 CB is equal to 20 meter and CB is equal to 10 meter. Wow, 10 meter चौड़ी, कितनी चौड़ी है? The width of canal is 10 meter. Okay, Okay, good. The width of canal is 10 meter. Now I want to find the height of the pole. What is height? आप ही height बेटा, यहाँ पर पड़ी थी height, तो perpendicular means that is CB into √3 means 10√3. कैसी बातें करते हो दोस्तों, too much easy, math is too much easy. If you are with me, math will on your tips. थोड़ी जी मेहनत कर लो बस. Now from the 7 meter height building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 meter and angle of depression means बंदा एक थां ते खड़ा है. Okay, किया from one place he is observing top of tower and foot of tower means suppose there is a tower in front of your building. You are on the building, one time you see upward, one time you see downward. Upward angle of elevation, downward angle of depression. Let's see the diagram. आपे वर्क कादे वास्ते कीता? For you only. Okay, now angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is 60 degree and 7 meter is the height of building. Okay, this is angle of depression. Angle of depression is 45 degree. We know that alternate interiors are always equal. And this is rectangle. If this is 7 meter, this is also 7 meter. Why? Because each and every object, कोई भी चीज़ अगर धरती ते खड़ी है, it make angle with ground 90 degree. एम आई क्लीयर? टावर होवे जदों टेढ़ा हो गया उदों ही समझो राम नाम सत. बिल्डिंग जे खड़ी है, it means its angle with the earth is always 90 degree. It is the vertical, always vertical, and these lines are horizontal. Horizontal lines are always parallel to the earth. So start. Now firstly we want to find the height of tower. One thing we have found without doing nothing, CD we have found 7 meter. I want to find only ED. To find ED, angle 60 degree that is given, and if we found AD means base, if we found then perpendicular तो आप लब भी लेते हो ना. This base is equal to AD. This I have already given that. I have already told you that this is a rectangle. Opposite side of rectangles are equal. So by using angle 45 degree here and perpendicular 7 meter, tan 45 degree is equal to 7 over BC. BC is equal to 7 meter. समझ गए ना क्यों लाता मैं 7 मीटर? बिकॉज tan 45 is equal to 1. BC into 1 is BC. So this imply if BC is equal to 7, then AD is also 7 meter. So now tan 60 degree is equal to ED over AD. This imply √3 is equal to ED over AD. AD √3 is equal to ED. यहाँ E है बेटा, ED. Okay. So this imply I am going to put here value of AD, that is 7, and ED is 7 √3. So height of tower is equal to 7 √3 plus 7. This is equal to 7 √3 plus 1 meter is your answer. That's all about this question. And again I am going to clear you. You will have to write each and everything solution in triangle. This height of tower is this, base is this, means AD is base, height of tower is EC, height of building is AB. You will have to mention each and everything. Kiya? Be smart student. हाँ जी, few questions are left. Stay here, continue with me. Thank you for watching video. Okay जी, let's now observed the top of 7 meter height lighthouse from the sea level. ओके जी, इतों ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं। हुण नाउ की बन गए एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन विद द हॉरिजेंटल लाइन विच इज़ पैरेलल टू द अर्थ। ओके जी, दिस यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉ। एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 30 डिग्री एंड 45 डिग्री। ओके, दिस एंगल्स with ship 1 and ship 2. We want to find the distance between the ship. Read the statement carefully, it is your duty. We want distance between the ship. What we want to find? We want to find CD. Very easy CD. How? What is CD? How to find CD? Subtract ही तो करना है मेरे भाई और बहनों। BD minus BC. Okay, so this imply again your favorite tan 45 degree is equal to 75 over BC. This imply BC is equal to 75 meter. Now you are too smart. मैनू पता सब ने सोच लिया सी कि BC तो सर 7.75 मीटर ही आने वाला, जो मर्जी कर लो, चाहे लिख लो चाहे उमें दस दो। मैं चाहता तो उमें भी दस सकता सी, बट आई थिंक आई विल हैव टू राइट tan 30 degree 75 meter over BD. So this imply 1 upon √3 is equal to 75 over BD. What is BD? BD BC plus CD. BD is BC plus CD. और नो प्रॉब्लम, तुम BD ना सॉल्व करो बेटा, आपको डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, आपके साथ हूँ ना मैं। BD is equal to 75 √3. So this imply CD, we want to find CD. CD is BD minus BC. BC is 75 meter, BD is this. So CD is equal to 75 √3 minus 75. This is equal to 75. Take common √3 minus 1 meter. Answer चक्को जी, इन्ना ही कुछ करना होंगे बस। ओके स्टूडेंट, एम आई क्लियर? शाबाश शाबाश। 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with the wind horizontal line. Okay जी, same question which we have done already. Now किया गर्ल उत्थे ही है बट मूव की कर रहा balloon. This is first position of balloon, after that balloon will here. This is second position of balloon. Now 88.2 meters is total height of balloon, but angle of elevation from her eyes, so we will subtract 1.2 from this. This is 1.2 extra that we will subtract. So left 87. Now I am not going to do this question. This is your turn. प्यारे बच्चों, you will have to solve yourself. I am going to give you just one idea. From 87 meter, this is also 87 meter. You will find this AB. Firstly, you will find this AB. To find AB, you will use 30 degree angle. You will use 30 degree angle. To find AO, you will use 60 degree angle. Tan function we are going to apply in both case. And then to find the distance covered by the balloon during interval, that is चाहे D तो C जा वड़िया चाहे O तो B जा वड़िया, same thing. So OB is equal to DC. Okay, both are same. So OB is equal to AB minus AO. Do this. हाँ जी। A straight highway leads the foot of tower. A man is standing top of the tower. Observe the car. Angle of depression which is 30, which approaching the foot of tower means car की उधर आ रही. Let's see. Firstly, car was here. After time it here. Means starting point of car, and after 6 seconds here. We want to find the time means what how much time it will take to reach the foot of tower. Let's see again your favorite tan. Before using tan, just I am going to clear one thing to you. Distance is directly proportional to the time. Distance is directly proportional to the time. Am I clear? टाइम घट तो डिस्टेंस भी कम कवर होगा, अगर टाइम ज़्यादा है तो डिस्टेंस भी ज़्यादा कवर होगा विद सेम स्पीड दैट इज़ गिवन ना. यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, यूनिफॉर्म इफ स्पीड इज यूनिफॉर्म देन टाइम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस. टाइम ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस भी ज़्यादा, टाइम कम तो डिस्टेंस भी कम. सो if you want to do directly, then you can write here high distance is or distance or height is directly proportional to time, so you can use blah blah blah, so you will get your directly answer. If you want to do something professionally, then put distance is equal to speed into time. Okay ji, speed is speed, ले लो x, time is t1 to cover distance CD. So firstly tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular over BD. So this imply 1 over under root 3 is equal to perpendicular over BD. This imply BD is equal to P under root 3. In second case, tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon CD. So this imply under root 3 into P over CD. So this implies CD under root 3 is equal to P. So now I am going to put the value of P here. Okay ji, blah 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 blah, put everything you will have to write here. BD, this imply BD is equal to CD under root 3 into under root 3. This imply 3CD is equal to BD, and I am going to divide BD into two parts, BC plus CD. 3CD is equal to BC plus CD. This imply CD become negative this side, 2CD is equal to BC. Now distance is equal to speed into time. BC is distance, CD is also distance. From this 2 into T1 into X. T1 is the time which is the taken by the car to reach point D from C. And BC is again distance, distance is speed into time, speed is X, time is 6 seconds. Okay ji. So this imply X cancel with X, T1 is equal to 3 seconds, because 2 will divide this side na? कुछ नहीं करना बेटा, सेम थिंग यू विल हैव टू जस्ट वन टाइम पुल एक्स हेयर राइट स्पीड ऑफ कार इज एक्स, सो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इन टाइम. लास्ट जाके पुट कर दो वैल्यू ऑफ सी डी एंड बी सी, तो नाल दी नाल ही कैंसल हो जाने, टाइम ਤੁਹਾਡਾ निकल आएगा. ओके सिंपल पंजाबी दे विच काम जमा सौखा. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन और सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. The angle of elevation of the top of tower from 2 point distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. This is the base of tower, this is 4 meter, this is 9 meters, this is 9 meter. Okay ji, this is 9 meters, and angle of elevation are complementary. Complementary बोले तो complementary बोले तो sum is 90 degree. If one is theta, other is 90 minus theta. Suppose if x, other is y, x plus y is equal to 90, and I want to write y in the form of x, then 90 minus x. If one is x, other is 90 minus x. Similarly, if one is theta, other is 90 minus theta. So your favorite tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon 4. We want to find the height of tower is 6 meter. That we want to prove. We will not use 6 here. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base is 4. Second case, tan 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now base is 9 meter. So 8.3 exercise, 8.3 exercise, change the function. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, that is equal to perpendicular upon 9, because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This imply, again we will convert this into tan. Cot is equal to also 1 upon tan, means बनाना tan ही है, जो मर्जी कर लो. Now reciprocal both side, p upon 9 become 9 upon p. Not here, p upon 9. Next step जो करेंगे reciprocal. This is p upon 9. So this imply reciprocal tan theta is equal to 9 upon p. Okay, tan theta is equal to 9 upon p. Okay. One theta, here we have tan theta is equal to p upon 4. Here we have 9 upon p. So put the value of tan theta. Put the value of tan theta here. Blah 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 blah. 9 upon p is equal to p upon 4. After cross multiply, what will you get? P square is equal to 36. P is equal to plus minus 6. But our distance is always positive, so p is equal to 6 meter. Hence proved. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, then please share with your friends and press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.